Attention car mechanics, handymen, and auto experts everywhere. Introducing the Turbobend tool, the ultimate solution for the P0299 under boost code. Fix loose wastegate linkages and restore your Audi or Volkswagen TSI 2.0-liter engine's power without removing the turbo, saving you time and money while reducing labor and downtime for your vehicle. Turbobend, our patent-pending method and tool, shortens the actuator rod by 4 to 5 millimeters, returning it to its original factory condition. Customers with more than 80,000 miles on their vehicles may notice reduced power, especially when driving uphill. Due to loosening wastegate linkage, a 1 to 1.5 millimeter gap forms in the turbo-wastegate valve. This gap is equivalent to a 16 millimeter diameter hole, indicating a loose wastegate linkage and results in completely disabling the turbo. We've precision-engineered the Turbobend tool to reach even the most hard-to-access actuator rods. After numerous prototypes, we've developed the perfect design that allows for precise bending without removing the turbo from the engine, translating into substantial cost savings for you. Here is a demonstration using a faulty turbo from an Audi Q5. Using our patent-pending method and Turbobend tool, we easily repair the wastegate linkage and eliminate the looseness in hard-to-reach places, all without removing the turbo from the engine. To operate the Turbobend is simple. Find the actuator rod on your vehicle. With our tool, you don't have to remove the turbo from the engine. Clamp onto the rod, then twist the knob clockwise. Proceed to bend the rod by pumping the handle with firm pressure. Continue pumping until you reach a dead stop. Then turn the knob counterclockwise and release the tool from the rod. You're done. The turbo is now restored to factory-level pressure. The turbo wastegate valve closes firmly, and the mechanism is still working, tight and firm, with no issues. And our patent-pending tool ensures that even with bending, the actuator rod maintains straightness. It's that easy. Add value to your services by saving your customers time and money. The Turbobend tool helps you fix turbo wastegates without removing the turbo from the engine, ensuring quicker turnaround times. Compensate for all wear and tear on the linkage system, putting tension back to factory settings with ease. Visit www.turbobend.com to learn more and order or rent your Turbobend tool today. Make it an essential part of your toolbox and get your car back on the road with this innovative solution. Turbobend, the ultimate solution for your Audi or Volkswagen's turbo engine.